In this video, I'm going to show you the C program using the malloc function. So in the previous video, I have given an introduction regarding the malloc function. So now I'll be writing the example. So my code will be sum of n numbers using malloc. So now I'm going to write the code. So this we will be writing the header file. So next header file will be your stdlib. Now I'm going to write the main function. I'm just writing some variables for writing my program. So ni. Then next is the main thing, that is I'm going to use pointer, that is int star ptr I have taken. So in the concept also I have shown you how to write that line for the malloc function. So I'm taking the pointer variable as star ptr. So you can give any name. So I am taking star ptr, and since I'm writing sum of n numbers, so I'm taking the initially as sum value as 0. So now I'm going to if I want to display enter how many number of elements required, enter the number of elements. So again, input and output statement I have taken for this. So using scanf, I am writing the enter the number of elements. So I have taken the uh, number of elements required. So next is the concept I'm taking. So this is the star ptr I have taken. So in this, what I'm going to write is, again I'm taking ptr is equal to, again int star, because since I'm using we are using pointer concept, we should write what is the caster type you have used in your declaration. So your declaration are taken as int. So same the int I'm taking int star. Now malloc. So when I'm using malloc, it will be creating the block, that is memory block has been allocated. So n into, again, the size of your data type. I have taken the data type as int in the initialization, so that size of int. So n will be how many number of elements you have been used. So I have created the memory. So now I'm going to check whether the ptr is equal to null. If it is null means, so I am giving some statement, memory not allocated. So I'm giving like this some statement. So if not means I want to display the elements. So for displaying the elements, I am taking again the enter the elements. Now using for loop, I am going to show the going to get the elements. So I is equal to 0, I less than n value, since how many number of sizes required, I plus plus. So next is how many number of elements required. So scanf. Here you can see I have taken ptr plus I. So instead of using normal array of 0, array of 1, for that I have taken ptr plus 5. So here I have applied array of pointers. Okay, so based on the array of sizes, instead of that subscript I have applied pointer. Okay, so pointer constants we are declaring using the pointers, so ptr plus 1 I have been applied here. Next is the, since it is sum of n numbers, I have taken sum is equal to plus equal to, again I have taken the index value star ptr plus I. Okay, so here I have taken like this. So for inside the for loop I have taken, and printf, again I'm taking again to display the sum. So I have completed. So now I'm going to, now I'll run and show you. So how many number of elements required? I'm giving here as 3, 2, 3, 4. So just wait a minute. So here I have just changed it. So how many number of elements required? I'm giving as 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So sum is 9. So based on how many, what is your print statement you are giving, like that I have given. So just I have done sum of n numbers using malloc function. So many one will have the doubt that why can't we use the normalizers? Why? Because I have taken, instead of array, I have taken pointer. Okay. So for when we want to access the elements, using pointer, we should use this. So it is equal to, suppose I am taking a of 0 is equal to ptr plus, what is the I value, that is 0. Okay. So suppose I am taking a of 1 is equal to ptr plus 1. Okay. So this is the concept of accessing an elements using an array. So like that I have been taken. Okay. So this is the way I have been done. So here enter the number of elements I have taken here as 3. So here what will happen? Here I have taken n value will be 3. 3 into what is the size of 4? So 12 blocks of memory will be created. Okay. So 12 blocks of memory will be 12 bytes of memory is allocated. Okay. So here uh, PDR is not null. So we'll come to this part. So here I am going to display all the elements as 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here I am going to take as what is the value, 0 less than n value is 3 here. And I'm going to show you what is the value, that is PTR plus 1. So I'm taking as PTR is equal to 2. Okay. So now your sum value, sum is equal to what? 0. Sum is equal to 0. So 0 plus what is the value you are having? 2. So 2. So now your current sum is value is 2 now. Okay. So next we will go to the loop here. So 1, 1 less than 3. So what will be your value? PTR plus 1 is equal to 3. So now your sum value is 2. Sum is equal to sum plus PTR plus 1. So what is the value? PTR plus 1 equal to 5. Okay. So now we are going to this. Again PTR plus PTR plus 2 is equal to 4. Again, we will be having what is the current sum value? 5. So 5 plus PTR plus 2 is 4 is equal to 9. So we will be again going to the loop. So 3 less than 3. So come out from the loop. Okay. So what is the current sum value now? Now the current sum value is 9. So sum, I will be showing the same how it is shown in the sum is 9. Like this it is different. So what is the thing is, all the things, all the elements in an array, instead of array, I have been allocated all the values in the memory along with the address using malloc function. Okay. So this is the way malloc function will be working for all the data structure program. So I hope this would be understood to you. So I'm just closing in this. Thank you. We will see the remaining concept in the other video. So till now, thank you.